Hello everyone, welcome back to again my channel, and today we will analyze the Gujarat Public Service Commission RTO Inspector, or you can say that RTO Motor Vehicle Inspector Class 2 exam that has been conducted in on this Sunday, that is on 7th February. So there are basically four sections. There is one technical, one is second section is acts and rules regarding motor vehicle acts, third is English, and fourth is Gujarati language. Okay, so we will see one by one. So first technical section, that is around 125 marks, and it is easy to moderate level. Okay, those who are preparing for GATE and EAC, and those who are giving the PSU's exam recently, those who have given these exams like Oil India, Coal India, and RCFL, NLC, SSCG. So they have the habit of this kind of questions, so they will find easy. Majority of questions out of 125, around 100 questions are easy, and the 25 marks, 25 questions, the remaining are quite database type. Okay, like what is the, which one has the lowest freezing point. Okay, and some are little bit confusing, 4 to 5 are confusing question, and this question should be okay, so that you can get the feeling of the exam, otherwise it will be like just revision. Okay, next is acts and rules, that is around 75 marks, that is moderate level. Okay, those who have prepared for it, they will find very easy, because I think it's almost 1 month, sorry 1 year from the last actual scheduled date and the commencement date due to this COVID-19 and lockdowns. Okay, so those who have revised very in very good manner, okay, in very structured manner, they will find very good, because generally there are questions regarding provisions of fines, what are the fines are there. Okay, and who is the chairman, or what is the judgments. Okay, and what are the rules and laws, like just if the driver is doing this, so then what is the punishment should be. Okay, so these are the questions. Next is English. It is 50 marks. It is very easy. You know, the if you know the basics, okay, up to 10th level, then it is more than enough. Okay, some 4 to 5 questions are little bit confusing, so it should be there to maintain the level of exam. Next is Gujarati language, 50 marks, and it is again very easy. And the one or I think those the students who spend the time, so you I think you found the minute, so you're taken the time, that is in chand and samas. Okay, so these are two are little bit time consuming, but all other are then questions are just read and tick mark and go ahead. So this chand and this samas, okay, these two portions are some time consuming. So this is the overall paper analysis. Okay, and one more thing, today from morning you can download your OMR sheet, okay, that you have attempted in on Sunday. So on the GPSC site you can go and just go there and you can download your OMR sheet, whatever you have attempted. Okay, so in for your future reference. Next thing, the about paper. So I will upload the paper in Telegram group, but as the provisional answer key will come from the service commission. Okay, because if I will upload, then again answer key came, then I have to again upload. Okay, so I will upload once the answer key will come. Okay, so this is all about the exam. Hope you come to know about what is the exam. Okay, so this is for today's video. Thank you for watching. So, and please subscribe this channel for the next futures this kind of videos. Okay, so thank you for watching, and keep studying, stay focused.